Hi guys, it's Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bedside table. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our maker pen, we're going to go to materials, we're going to go to wood grain, and our color is going to be gray. That's the example, that's what we're going to do. Step by step, I'm going to show you how to do it. Fly up here, make your cube, go to manipulate, we're going to manipulate it just like that. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to clone it, move it right here, clone it again, make sure it's in the middle, and we're going to rotate it, and we're going to move it back. Now, if it doesn't fit, don't worry, just use manipulation, and you should manipulate it right to the part where it should fit. And we're going to clone, and we're going to do this way as well. We're going to go to create. We're going to go back down. We're going to make our flooring right about here. Manipulate it, pull it out to right here, and we're going to clone it up. Move it this way. Move it this way. In all angles of the edge. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to go to clone, and we're going to clone this up. We're going to go to manipulate, and we're going to make this little top edge right here. Now, once we do that, we're going to make it bigger. So it should look just like that. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to make our middle part. So go to materials. We're going to go to galvanized metal, and we are going to use black. We come down here, we put it in the exact middle, right about here. We go to clone, and we go to manipulate. We're going to manipulate this little object right about here. Make it just like that and fatten it out a little bit. Now, we're going to make our front panel of our dresser. So, we're going to go here. We're going to go back to materials, wood grain, and we're going to choose a lighter color. Now, fly up and come to the exact middle part where you want to place it, or just place it anywhere. Go to manipulate, and you're going to fit it out until it's in the middle, just like that. Make it longer a little bit on both sides. Make it longer on the end and in the top. Just like that. That's how you have your box for your startup. Now, go back here, go back to materials. We're going to go back to galvanized metal, and we're going to choose charcoal. Now, we're going to place our cube right outside, just one tiny bit right here. Go back to manipulate. We're going to manipulate this, and we're going to bring it down to about right here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to clone it to right here. We're going to go back to create. We're going to go to cylinder, and we're going to place the cylinder right here. Cylinder will be right here. We're going to clone the cylinder down to right here. And we're going to go to select. We're going to select the other cylinder, and we're going to clone it this way. Now, you have your cylinder cloned, you have your whole entire box, but you're going to add a black outline to the end of it. So go back to create, go to material, go back to wood grain, and we're going to do dark black. Go to cube, place it right here, and we're going to manipulate it going this way. Make sure it's off the edges a little bit, because when you're going to add another cube, you want to make sure it's right here. And you want to make sure it merges into the other one, just like that. just clone this one, bring it over here, and then just clone the top, bring it down here. Now you have your outline of your box for your dresser opener. What we're going to do is we're going to select everything we've made right here. Select, select, select. And we're going to clone it down to right here. Now you have both of your handles for your dresser. Now we're going to start adding the details of the dresser. Go to cube, and what we're going to do is we're going to outline it right about here inside the dresser, because if you want it outside of it, it's gonna look crazy. The inside of it will give it that little texture, that little black outline texture. When you move back from it, you'll see it right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clone it for the other side, same way, same thing. Move it to right here, and it should be, oh, it's glitching a little bit. Let's just move it out. There you go. And we're going to do the same for this part right here. Put it inside. Go to manipulation and manipulate it right here. And we're going to clone it. There we go. Now go back to create, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this right here, and we're going to manipulate this down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to clone it for this side as well. And we're going to create our floor one as well. So we're going to make it right here, and we're going to place it this way. Just fly up. Place it right here. Now make sure it's at the edge. Now what you want to do is you want to clone this one going right there. And what you want to do, come back along here and clone this one as well. Without a bit of it, fix some details that you might find annoying or, you know, bothering you. We're going to clone this one to this edge right here as well. And we're going to clone it again this way. And that's how you have your bedside table. Now, what you want to do is you want to go back to create, and you want to choose a lighter color again, or a darker one, doesn't matter, it's your choice. And we're going to go back to materials, we're going to go back to galvanized metal, and we're going to back to this one. We're going to put our cube right about here. Now, this is something you need to mess with your MakerPen settings for, and I'm going to show you that as well as we're doing this through top. So just rinse and repeat, cube, manipulate, manipulate. Now, we're going to manipulate this. We're going to make it fatter, just like this. Reason is, if you want a little outline for your top dresser, you have to have it like this. Now, we're going to go to our settings, and we're going to set our precision snap to 0.5. we're going to go back to manipulate, and it should go like this. Should shorten it down just a tiny bit. Now you have your top of your dresser. This is how you make your bedside table. Thank you.